I don't want to take all your time up, but please like all my videos. I've done really hard on these, but we're gonna be doing a cooking channel. But what we need, I want 20 likes on this, and I'll start a cooking channel for you guys and showing you what we can do and everything. I just want 20 likes on here, and we'll start doing cooking channel. And if you already like, please say #cooking, and then it'll be good. And follow our Instagram if you already have it, because I like Instagram. Everybody likes Instagram, most people, but please. And then yeah, and also we just got a new cat. He's really sweet, and if you want us to name him, I'm just been calling him Buddy, but if you think of any other cute cat names, then please link in under below, because like I need some tips and things for cats. But yeah, that's it, campers. But yeah, see you later. Bye.